everyone, my name is Carmen Meritz. I'm a teacher and I work for the Faculty of Engineering at Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario. Have you ever heard of the word engineer before? Do you know what an engineer does? An engineer is someone who builds and designs things that help to solve problems for people. During this video, we are going to be engineers who are going to build an airplane that can travel far distances. Now, of course, we can't build an airplane, a real airplane like we see in the sky, but we can build an airplane out of paper, and it will actually fly through the air. The first step that all engineers take is to develop a plan. So I'm going to ask you to pause the video and take some time to draw out what you want your airplane to look like, or just chat with a friend or family member around you about how you're going to build an airplane using just one piece of paper. Once you have your plan, push play on this video and we will continue on to the building phase. All right, step one of the building phase. We are going to grab our piece of paper and we are going to fold our piece of paper in half. So along this long middle right here, we're gonna fold our piece of paper right in half. Now, your second step is to unfold our piece of paper and we are going to fold in these top two corners so that they meet right in the middle. So I'm going to fold this corner and then I'm going to fold this corner. You almost want your piece of paper to look like a little house. Now, if you need some more time to continue on working on these steps, please just pause the video and push play when you're ready to move on to step 3. The third step, we are going to fold the same sides one more time. So I'm going to take these two sides, or the roof of my house, and I'm going to fold them in so that they meet right in the middle. Just like that. Starting to look like an airplane, isn't it? Our fourth step, we're going to keep everything folded the way we have it, and we are going to fold the entire plane in half, right along that center line that we made at the very beginning. Fold our plane in half, and it should look just like this. Now, our fifth and final step, we are going to fold the wings down to the bottom of our airplane. So we want this side to be folded over to line up with this side. And we want it to line up all the way from the top to the bottom. So watch here. We're going to fold our airplane in half so that these sides line up really nice. And then we're going to flip our airplane and we're going to do the same thing on this side. Fold our airplane in half so that this lines up with this. And there you go. Our airplane is all finished. Now we're going to put our hand or our fingers right in the middle and unfold that bottom. And look at that. We have a paper airplane. Now you are an engineer who has built an airplane, but you also have to test your airplane. So I'm going to ask that you throw your paper airplane 5 times and see how far it can go. And if it doesn't work right the first time, or if you think of any ways that you can make your airplane even better, go ahead and make those changes. Thank you for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.